Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to delete your resume from LinkedIn using the mobile app in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open LinkedIn app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the main menu where you can access your settings. Go ahead and tap on your name. Here you'll see a list of your uploaded resumes. Find the one you want to delete and simply tap on the pen icon right here. After that, you'll see two options, edit and delete. Go ahead and tap on delete. Then confirm. And that's it. Your resume is now deleted from LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.